Are you exhausted from putting in endless hours at work, yet still finding it hard to make ends meet? Despite adhering to the conventional principles of financial success, do you sometimes sense that there's something fundamentally flawed in the way money operates? Get ready to uncover some groundbreaking secrets that the wealthy rarely disclose about money. First and foremost, it's time to abandon the notion that merely working hard, studying diligently, and saving consistently will lead you to riches. This approach is a guaranteed path to remaining financially stagnant. Have you ever encountered a millionaire who amassed their fortune solely through a traditional job and frugal saving? Probably not. The typical route of pursuing education, securing a job, and saving money isn't the key to financial prosperity. It keeps us entrenched and reliant on others. In this video, we'll delve into the mysteries of money and how you can harness its power to your benefit. You'll discover how to generate wealth from the ground up and break free from the relentless cycle of hard work yielding minimal rewards. By the end of this video, you'll understand that accumulating wealth doesn't necessarily require a high-paying job, a college degree, or substantial savings. It's more about comprehending the mechanics of money and cultivating the right mindset, skills, and strategies. The affluent individuals who control the financial system prefer to keep us in the dark about how money truly works. Their preference is for us to remain financially constrained, allowing them to continue exploiting our efforts. Before we dive deeper, let's grasp how the global economy functions. Imagine the global economy as a vast ocean where numerous entities, including governments, financial institutions like banks and investment firms, businesses, and ordinary people like you and me, are all navigating together. It's a complex system, much like an intricate puzzle, with these institutions playing pivotal roles. Their actions can influence economies worldwide, but what about us, the everyday individuals? Are we merely spectators, or do we have an active role to play? The individual's role in the global economy. Our personal choices, spending habits, and investment decisions collectively shape the economy. While governments and large institutions wield significant influence, the pervasive belief that they are the sole controllers is misleading. We often hear about their actions in the news, but the global economy is more akin to a symphony with diverse players: governments, financial institutions, corporations, and individuals, each contributing to the overall harmony. Understanding this complexity empowers us to make informed decisions and recognize our agency in shaping our financial futures within the global economic framework. So, the next time someone asserts that governments and major corporations hold all the power, you'll have a better understanding. It's not about blaming these entities, but about comprehending how money operates, creating multiple income streams, and leveraging existing systems. This journey is empowering, beginning with education and a shift in mindset. Have you ever pondered why some people effortlessly amass wealth while others struggle to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck? The answer lies in our education system and the beliefs instilled in us from a young age. Our society often trains us with a scarcity mindset, promoting the idea that money is limited and should be hoarded in banks. However, there's a hidden catch. Banks use our deposited funds to lend to the wealthiest individuals who know how to multiply it, while we receive meager interest on our savings. To better understand wealth accumulation, consider the life stories of billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, or Elon Musk, any of whom either skipped school or dropped out. This isn't an endorsement to abandon education. Education is invaluable, but schools frequently fail to teach the real principles of money management or entrepreneurship. Focusing solely on securing a good job isn't inherently wrong, but building someone else's dream has its limitations. Most billionaires began building their fortunes when they ceased being employees. Number 1. Education and shift in mindset. One essential rule is that the wealthy don't work solely for money. The key is to shift our mindset towards building income-generating assets and investing in ventures with growth potential. Affluent individuals view money as a tool, using it wisely to create opportunities and grow their wealth. These strategies are rarely covered in traditional education, leading to widespread misconceptions about money. It's time to break free from these outdated ideas and seek alternative knowledge sources. By embracing the wisdom of successful entrepreneurs and learning the truth about money, You can embark on the path to financial freedom and build your own fortune from scratch. Number 2, tracking and safeguarding your money. Protecting your hard-earned money from financial risks starts with tracking your income, expenses, and savings. This foundational step might seem mundane, but it provides a clear picture of your finances. Tracking your income involves knowing all sources of revenue, including your salary, side hustles, or passive income streams. This awareness helps identify opportunities to increase earnings and make informed financial decisions. Monitoring your savings is crucial for assessing progress toward financial goals. It goes beyond simply setting money aside. It involves actively managing and growing your savings over time. Watching your savings grow serves as motivation and underscores the importance of safeguarding your money. However, tracking is only part of the battle. You also need to protect your money from potential threats. Financial pitfalls can come in the form of deceptive investments, predatory lenders, or scams. Education is your best defense. Enhance your financial literacy, learn about investment strategies, stay updated with financial news, and be wary of unsolicited offers promising quick riches or guaranteed returns. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Conduct thorough research and remember that your money is a valuable asset. By maintaining vigilance, you can navigate the financial landscape confidently, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. Number 3, avoid saving solely in the bank. Many of us have been taught that the best way to manage our money is by saving it in a bank. We're encouraged to work hard, save diligently, and trust that the bank will handle our money effectively. However, the reality is that banks aren't necessarily acting in our best interest. They're focused on their own profitability. Have you ever wondered how banks accumulate immense wealth? It's because they use the money deposited by people like us to grow their own fortunes. Banks lend out our deposited funds to others and earn interest from borrowers, while we receive minimal interest on our savings. This imbalance benefits the banks disproportionately. To escape the cycle of working tirelessly and saving modest amounts, it's time to shift our perspective on saving. Instead of merely depositing money in a bank, we should focus on making our money work for us. But how can we achieve that? Let me guide you through it. Number 4, becoming an investor. The term investor might seem intimidating, but it's not as complex as it appears. Being an investor means allocating your money into assets or ventures that can grow and generate returns, essentially making strategic choices to multiply your wealth over time. I'm not suggesting you throw all your money into high-risk endeavors without a plan. Instead, it's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. One option is to explore stocks and bonds. Investing in the stock market allows you to become a partial owner of companies, and as these companies perform well, the value of your shares can increase, providing capital appreciation. Bonds, on the other hand, involve lending money to governments or corporations and earning interest on your investment. But investing goes beyond stocks and bonds. There are various avenues like real estate, mutual funds, index funds, and even starting your own business. The key is to diversify your investments, creating a portfolio that fits your financial objectives and risk appetite. Yes, investing comes with risks, and it's crucial to educate yourself and seek professional advice when necessary. If you keep your money in a savings account, you miss out on the potential for growth. It's like burying your money in a jar in the backyard. Safe, but not growing. By making your money work for you through strategic investments, you open up opportunities for growth and passive income. It's about leveraging the power of compounding and accumulating long-term wealth. Remember, you don't need to be a financial genius or possess a large sum to start. Begin with small steps, like investing in low-cost index funds or setting up an automatic investment plan. The key is to start somewhere and remain consistent. Number 5, debt and taxes. Debt and taxes are two critical aspects that are often misunderstood when it comes to building wealth. While the idea of debt may seem intimidating, the wealthy know how to leverage it to their advantage, especially within a tax system that favors them. Traditional advice emphasizes working hard, saving money, and avoiding debt, but this doesn't align with how the rich amass their fortunes. Instead, they utilize credit systems to make other people's money work for them, preserving their wealth and minimizing personal risk. The secret lies in understanding how the tax system benefits them. Wealthy individuals strategically structure their financial activities to legally minimize taxable income. They focus on capital gains instead of traditional income and use debt as a financial tool. It's essential to challenge the prevailing narrative surrounding debt and taxes. Instead of fearing debt, comprehend how to use it wisely and leverage tax advantages to create wealth-building opportunities that might otherwise seem out of reach. Approach debt and taxes with knowledge and careful consideration, operating within the bounds of the law. Number 6. Your financial reputation. Imagine your financial reputation as a superpower in the realm of money, a secret weapon that can help you build wealth and unlock opportunities. But what exactly is it, and why is it so vital? Simply put, your financial reputation is how others perceive you in matters of money. It's akin to a report card that reflects your proficiency in handling finances. Just as having a good name is important, maintaining a solid financial reputation is invaluable. Your financial reputation acts as a currency of trust. When people view you as trustworthy, responsible, and savvy with money, they're more likely to do business with you, invest in your projects, or lend you money. It's like having a strong recommendation endorsing your reliability and financial acumen. But it's not just about others' perceptions. Your financial reputation also impacts practical aspects, such as obtaining loans. Banks and lenders assess your financial reputation when you seek to borrow money. If you have a history of paying bills on time, managing debts wisely, and maintaining low credit card balances, it's easier to secure favorable loan terms and lower interest rates. Conversely, a poor reputation can limit your options and make borrowing more expensive. So, how do you ensure your financial reputation remains impeccable? It's simpler than it seems. Develop good money habits, such as paying your bills punctually, managing debts prudently, and keeping credit card balances low. These habits demonstrate your responsibility with money and contribute to a positive reputation. Remember, your financial reputation is a potent tool. By building and maintaining it, you're not just earning money, you're also earning trust and opening doors to new opportunities. Number 7. Proactive problem-solving approach. In the journey of wealth building, a secret weapon emerges: problem-solving. The affluent don't succumb to challenges. Instead, they view problems as gateways to learning and personal growth. Embracing a proactive mindset, foreseeing obstacles, breaking down problems into manageable parts, and seeking alternative perspectives is key to mastering problem-solving and overcoming financial hurdles. Shift your mindset to embrace challenges as opportunities. Develop a proactive approach by staying informed, seeking knowledge, and employing effective problem-solving techniques. This can pave the way for building wealth from the ground up. A significant difference between the rich and the poor lies in their outlook. Wealthy individuals believe in their ability to overcome challenges and achieve their goals, while those struggling often see obstacles as insurmountable. Instead of finding ways to advance, they spend excessive time worrying about problems, a self-sabotaging tendency rooted in underestimating their capabilities. Maintaining a positive outlook and believing in your abilities can profoundly impact your journey toward financial success. Number 8. The cost of decisions in wealth building. This is a fundamental principle that the wealthy often apply when making financial decisions. When affluent individuals borrow money, they do so with confidence and responsibility. They understand that borrowing is not just about obtaining funds, it's about evaluating repayment terms, potential returns on investment, and associated risks. This careful consideration ensures that their decisions align with their long-term financial goals. But this isn't limited to borrowing. The wealthy adopt the same thoughtful approach when investing their own money. They meticulously calculate the expected growth and profit potential of their investments, positioning themselves for higher returns and long-term success. Wealthy individuals comprehend the consequences and costs linked to each decision, leading to more informed and strategic choices. They know that nothing in life is truly free. It always comes with a price. This mindset deeply resonates with the wealthy, as they understand that every choice involves consequences and trade-offs. They willingly embrace the idea that sacrifices and careful deliberation are essential components of building wealth. It's important to note that this principle isn't about excessive caution or avoiding risk altogether. Instead, it emphasizes making informed choices based on a thorough understanding of potential outcomes. Wealthy individuals recognize that taking calculated risks is integral to building wealth, but they carefully weigh these risks against potential rewards. By adopting the belief that every decision has its price, you can make more deliberate choices in your financial journey. Number 9. Embrace delayed gratification. Imagine standing at a crossroads, faced with two paths. One offers immediate pleasure, while the other promises long-term benefits. The wealthy consistently choose the path that aligns with their financial objectives, even if it means sacrificing short-term indulgences. Instead of impulsively acting on emotions or seeking quick gains, they adopt a careful and calculated approach. They understand that delayed gratification and strategic decision-making can lead to substantial rewards in the future. This approach involves evaluating potential trade-offs before making impulsive purchases or investments, and considering the long-term impact of your decisions in alignment with your ultimate goals. This principle applies to decisions of all sizes, whether it's choosing between a luxury item and investing in your future, or deciding how much to save from each paycheck. Every choice carries consequences, and consistently prioritizing your long-term financial well-being helps propel you closer to your goals. As you absorb this information, remember that nothing worthwhile comes for free, and every decision has its cost. Building a fortune from the ground up requires a comprehensive understanding of money and a willingness to challenge conventional wisdom. By applying the methods discussed and embracing a wealth-building mindset, you gain control over your financial future, moving closer to the life you've always dreamed of. Building wealth isn't as straightforward as studying hard, working diligently, and saving rigorously. The traditional path of education, employment, and frugal saving may not be the key to financial prosperity. I hope you find value in this video. Please share it with friends and family who might benefit from this message to inspire them on their financial journey. I wish you success. Thank you for watching till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. Have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.